Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis last week, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. What an explosive move today. Last week, things were looking very, very shaky, but then today, just price totally exploded. So a lot of updates here needing to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, and I'm just going to get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, and not wanting to have a million lines everywhere, that can cause clutter and confusion. Just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So yeah, those lines do pertain. They're just not relevant at this point in time, after the big price movement. First update, though, comes from a foundational principle in charting, and that states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the ideal level of support going forward, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? If the price can stay up above 0.026, that would be a very good situation. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above it, that would certainly be that best case scenario. In the event the price cannot hold above it, the next levels of support to keep an eye on are going to be the moving averages down here. You have the famous 200 period, that pink line, and then the famous 50 period, that purple line. And definitely going forward, you want to see the price stay above those now that they've gotten above it. You can see that the purple line has now curved back upwards and has a nice upward slope to it. And as long as the price stays above it, that line is going to just continue to curve upwards. And, pretty much if you want to picture that as a trend line, it's going to start to draw a very nice trend line, for the overall, trend indicator of the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? Next overall battleground, going to call right up there at 0.035. Although not exact, I think we can all agree quite a bit of price congestion up in this area from the past history of the chart. So that'll definitely be next key battleground on the bulls agenda. But all in all, I don't think you could really write up a better way to start off the week. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.